Hey folks, TNT Neon here. Where it's gonna be today, gonna show you three more small upgrades. Well, two small upgrades and one big upgrade. Actually four. So it's gonna be three upgrades, small upgrades, and one big upgrade for my Trek Marlin 6. Which now that the guys at my local bike shop, Bike Line of Charlotte, Mark came up with the name, the Trek EX9 Marlin 6. So let's get to it. First upgrade you'll see is my handlebar grips, which the handlebar grips that came with my came with the bike I took off, and I put some bond triggers on, and so I kind of wore them bond triggers out. They won't stick into my gloves pretty decent. So now I got these handlebar grips here, which they are made by this company here, which is the same company that makes the new saddle I put up here. Also, it got the split in it, and that's for health reasons for men. I had to end up getting it because I was riding on a long distance trail and my leg and foot started falling asleep, and along with that it was pinching a nerve right in the genital area, so I had to end up getting that. And ever since I changed to this seat, it's a gel seat, ever since I changed to this seat with the split in it, it's been fine. Real comfortable seat, also real comfortable, and it's light, titanium rails on it and everything. Also, I put the full mud guard backburn flap on it, the full guard on it, so the full mud guard on it, so it working out good. And I moved the one I had on the front that I actually cut in half and moved it to the back. All right, so right here we have the Sunrace 10sp 11 by 42. Some people don't know it's actually it's 11 by 42. The smaller cog is 11 and the bigger cog is a 42 tooth. So this works tremendously well. It's a good pair up with the Race Face 32 tooth chain ring, but I'm thinking about getting a 30 or a 28 tooth, because some of the trails we ride around here have some really steep hills. And I know if y'all noticed when I was on Rocky River, my last video I put up, I fell. The climb was pretty difficult. I got up halfway up the hill and I come to a nice little flat area, and I turned the wheel to avoid the route and I fell. And it, long story short, got back up and I got back on it and I pedaled. Now it's good, believe me, it's good. But for some of the hills right here, either you run a 2x, or, well, at Rocky River I know you'll either run a 2x, or some guys I seen ride with a 30 or a 28 up front. And I'm thinking about going with either a 30 or a 28 chain ring, but for now it's working out good. This is a good cassette. The black, I got this off of Amazon. The black version of this was $60. So the silver version of this was $49. So I said, well, I don't need black, it's fine, it's just anodized color, don't really need it. But this is going to be from 2 to 10 is going to be steel, and the big gear, the big cog is aluminum, and it's made out of, I don't know if y'all be able to see that or not, 75 aluminum, aircraft aluminum, so it's pretty doggone good. everything. Like I said, man, that it makes a big difference. This bike, I know I put a lot of money in it, but I really like the bike. It really fits me and everything. So, I mean, even if I do decide to get rid of it, at least I can take what I got on it and move it over to a better frame. But other than that, man, I really enjoying this bike. So I just want to show one more little upgrade that I did to the bike. All right, and that was the Sunrace Cassette 10-speed 11x42, the gel seat, handlebar grips, and put the full mud guard on the bike. So I'm really making this bike my bike. But as I always say, folks, God is good. God is good all the time. 10T out. Like and subscribe if you like anything you see on my channel. All right.